Welcome back to another Monday Market Report, and this is for the week ending January 6th, 2019. Welcome back. So, kind of a slow week after having a hot December. First week of January is kind of meh, but there is good reason for that. People are withholding from buying or purchasing, rather, some really nice investment quality / grade coins in lieu of the Heritage Florida Fun Auction, which, by the way, concludes this week. I believe the 13th is the final day of the auction sale for any live internet bidding. However, this is going to provide a whole bunch of things to talk about next week. We're going to recap a lot of the sale items, and boy, is there a bunch, because there's also going to be coins and currency involved with the recap for next week. So stay tuned for that. So there are a few sales, a few auction items that did sell that kind of turned a collective eyebrow, so to speak. And both of them occurred on Great Collections. Again, no big surprise. Nothing big selling on eBay. Heritage, of course, is dormant until that sale goes through. But the first one on the list is a 2014 S. Yes, you read that correct. 2014 S Arches National Park Quarter that sold on Great Collections over the weekend. Now, if your eyes are deceiving you, maybe it is, but this is indeed a Business Strike Collector's Edition type coin. Okay, the U.S. Mint sold these in little 100-coin bags. They still do. So, for one to come up at auction and for it to sell for enough money to make it onto my Monday Market Report, it has to be somewhat notable. You don't see a lot of these being turned in for grading through any one of the major third-party grading companies. So again, this one is a Business Strike coin. It's a top pop. Generally, these are tough to grade because the coins are placed in these linen bags. Or canvas bags. They're a little bit small. I've ordered a few of these before, and they move around and they clash up against each other, and they're causing bag marks and various other nicks and scratches. So for one to come up at a mid-state 68, it's pretty remarkable. The coin sold for $1,743.75. It's a lot of money for a quarter. I would have to say, though, if this coin sold 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago, this is a coin that would sell over $2,000 in the same grade. We're starting to see a shift in what people are looking to collect and invest in. They're beginning to kind of move away from the modern registry grade type level of coins, and they're going into more of the classics, a lot of the pre-1950 issues, the 19th century, the Federalistic age. So we're starting to see this trend of some of these high-end modern coins begin to kind of recede a little bit, but that's just a changing in the times, and with the economy kind of in a lull right now, that is certainly the direction of the coin market. So, I want to talk about an extremely beautiful coin, one in which doesn't come up too often, and the 1910 S Lincoln Wheat Cent is what I would consider not quite a semi-key, but it's pretty close. It is one of the more sought-after dates. It's one of the more sought-after dates for a full red specimen. Okay, these are incredibly tough to locate full red. Okay, oftentimes you'll see these as mint-state brown or possibly mint-state red brown, and the red browns sell for quite a bit of money. But this PCGS Mint State 67 red example not only is full red, it even has a little swath of toning on both the obverse and the reverse of the coin. You can see a little bit of that sun yellow in there with a little bit of hint of pink on the obverse, and then on the reverse you have a little swath of that yellow as well. The coin is absolutely marvelous. It's extremely clean for a 67 grade of this date. You're talking probably one of the most discerning grade levels for an early date coin that you could possibly find. So, how much should this one hammer at? Well, how about $12,436.88? I would say it's worth every dime in this one, worth every penny rather, and it's certain to go into a really nice collection. If you do find one of these and you know for certain that it is mid-state in a full red, this is a big dollar money coin. A lot of those 1910s Lincoln Wheat cents fall under this, this tougher to find full red category, along with some of those earlier 1920s. Those can be pretty gosh darn difficult as well. So anyways, that'll wrap up our Monday market report for the week ending January 6th. Again, a week from now, next Monday, we're going to see an extremely busy recap of some of those notable sales from the Heritage Auctions Florida Fund sale. It's something you sure won't want to miss. I appreciate your guys' time. Again, the best way that you can support my channel is simply hitting the like button at the bottom of this video, and if you haven't done so, subscribe. You can come follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am there. Come check me out, say hi, and I appreciate your guys' time. Keep collecting, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. See you on the next one.